Levee Safety Program actually got started around 2007. Congress authorized the Corps of Engineers to start looking at levees that we have in our current inventory with the main goal of reducing risk to the community and really the public. One of the main components is the inspection facet, and that entails two different types of inspections. Annual inspections, or what we call routine inspections. We come out every year and look at every single one of the levees in our inventory. We inspect it for operations and maintenance concerns. We walk every bit of the levees, and we walk it with our sponsor, who's actually the person that operates and maintains it. The other type of inspection that we do is a periodic inspection every 5 years, and that's a more robust inspection. It consists of a multidisciplinary engineering team. We also do some design criteria review, and we get more in-depth on each one of the different features of the levees. So during inspections, we look for a whole series of things. It's laid out in what we call the inspection checklist. Some of the things that we look for include anything that might inhibit the performance of the levee during a flooding event. We're looking for anything such as spalling or concrete cracks. We're looking for some vegetation issues that might cause concerns for seepage or stability. We're really looking for a whole myriad of things, that the main goal being to decrease the risk of adverse performance of that component during a flood, whenever it's needed in the most critical time.
People that have homes in the area, people that have businesses, they see these inspections and they know that we're taking a proactive approach towards evaluating these systems and making sure they're upkept to Corps standards. It gets a good face-to-face between sponsors, the inspectors. You get roles and responsibilities clearly defined. You note deficiencies.
So one of the things that we really like everybody in the public to know is that even though you may live behind the levee, it doesn't mean that you're excluded from any chance of flooding. There's always a bigger storm. There's always that risk of flooding. And even though you may be behind a levee, it's always good to be aware of what your flood risk is.